The individual settings page for an IP camera allows you to view and control a number of important settings. You can get to the camera setting page by selecting it from the configuration tree or by simply right-clicking on the live or recorded camera image and choosing Properties. Each camera can have up to 7 different administrative tabs, including Display, Video, Recording, Motion, Mechanical PTZ, Digital PTZ and Fisheye, and Schedule. In addition, the IP camera setting page allows you to see important information about your camera, along with live links to other camera administrative pages within the client. If multi-streaming is available on the camera, it can be configured from this page as well. The tabs available for each camera, the settings available on each tab, and the options available for each setting can vary greatly among camera manufacturers and models. Some IP camera settings that are not available in the exacqVision software can be accessed through the camera's web page. The Display tab allows you to display a name and other important information on the camera when it is seen from the exacqVision client, the exacqVision web client, and the exacqVision mobile app. To create or change the display name of the camera, just type it into the box. Use the position drop-down menu to pick where you want the name displayed. If you wish to include additional information on the display, simply select any of the boxes below the position drop-down menu. You can also choose to display font, size, color, and style that will be seen on the video panel. When you are finished, click the Apply button. If the font you chose is not available on another user's interface, a substitute will be automatically used. If you want to use the same settings for other cameras or all of the cameras on the same server, click on the Apply To button. Select your cameras and click on the Apply button. Depending on your camera, there are many settings that can be changed from the Video tab, including brightness and color settings, camera rotation, mirror image, and wide dynamic range. Other settings may need to be administrated from the camera's browser page. Contact your camera manufacturer for more information. A video mask hides an area of the viewable video in live and recorded mode. Click on the Edit button and draw a box over the area you wish to conceal and click Apply. A gray box can now be seen in the live video panel. The Crop Window feature allows you to crop the viewable and recorded image on a compatible camera. Click the Edit button and draw a box around the part of the image that you want to make available for live and recorded viewing. Then click Apply. The Recording tab allows you to quickly turn recording on or off for any individual camera. You can also set the camera's quality level, video format, resolution, and image rate. Note that the area next to the live video image also has setting information on resolution and image's rate. If these are live links, you can click on them to be taken to the camera recordings page of the server where you can view and administrate all of the cameras from a single page. From the Motion tab, you can change the amount of time that a camera records pre- and post-motion video by using the slider bars. You can also create and edit motion windows for the camera. Some cameras can utilize multiple motion windows, and they are indicated by numbered tabs. If you're using a PTZ camera, you can administrate some of these settings from the Mechanical PTZ tab. From the Settings tab within the Mechanical PTZ tab, you can choose the serial port for the camera to enable PTZ functionality or turn it off completely. From the Presets tab, you can create preset camera locations that can be accessed individually during live viewing or used as a tour. You can move the PTZ camera from the control panel on the right part of the screen or with an exacqVision surveillance keyboard. You can also adjust the speed of the movement of the pan, tilt, and zoom control with the 2-speed slider bars. To create a preset, click on the New button and move the camera to the desired location. Give it a name and click the Apply button. These presets can be accessed from the live page by right-clicking on the screen or via the exacqVision surveillance keyboard. To use your presets to make a tour, simply add them to the preset tour box. Modify your settings and click Apply. To turn on the tour, click the Enable box. The Digital PTZ Fisheye tab enables you to set up the digital PTZ features on any camera and panoramic or fisheye functionality on compatible cameras. You can turn the digital PTZ function on or off from this tab and create presets in the same way you would with mechanical PTZ cameras. Note that when you're using digital PTZ, you're always recording the entire image of the camera, and that digital PTZ, when enabled, can be used on live or recorded video. If your camera has an aftermarket Panomorph lens from Immervision, you can administrate it from this page. Other out-of-the-box panoramic or fisheye cameras can be administrated from this tab as well. Choose the correct settings for your camera. As with mechanical PTZ cameras and the digital PTZ feature, you can also create presets on a fisheye or panoramic camera. If the video is being dewarped in the client instead of the camera, the entire video image will be available in live and recorded mode with complete movement functionality. The Schedules tab allows you to create a recording schedule specifically for the selected camera. The Schedule tab includes additional options for creating a schedule for all cameras on the server. In the grid, draw a rectangle that corresponds to the hours for each device that you want to schedule. When you hover the cursor over a square, note the details displayed in the information section. Select the appropriate setting button to determine whether video should always be recorded from this camera, free run, or only when motion or alarm events occur. To configure time-lapse recording, select the number of images you want to record every second or minute, and then click Set. Click Apply to enable the schedule for this camera, or click Apply To if you want to enable the schedule on all cameras on the server. You can create complete recording schedules for entire servers from the Schedule page. This topic will be covered in another video,